Open your browser and go to www.auxmachina.com. When you're on the site, click the green Try for Free button to get started. If you're already signed up, log in as usual. Otherwise, follow the quick steps to register as a new user. Now, think of a few words that capture the image you're envisioning. This could be anything from a description, colors, or mood. Once you've typed in your keywords, click the green Search button. In about a second, Aux Machina will display a set of images from the internet that match your keywords. Browse through these, and for any that feel close to what you're picturing, click the little heart icon to like them. This will help guide the AI toward your style. After you've liked a few images, click the green Generate button to create custom AI photos based on what you selected. Give it a few seconds, and you'll see 4 brand new AI-generated photos appear. Take a look and pick any that resonate with what you had in mind. If you want to make final adjustments, simply like the photo you want to refine, then type in your instructions to make specific changes, like adjusting colors, styles, or details. Finally, if you're ready to use any of your AI photos, click either the download icon to save it or the share icon to send it out. And that's it. Aux Machina makes creating custom images simple, so you can bring your ideas to life in just a few steps.